Hey guys, good morning. I'm still not feeling well. I was hoping that this morning when I get up, I would feel much better, but not well. Drank some tea and did our morning devotion, so I'm going to get ready to go to the doctor. To be honest, I wish I did go to the doctor yesterday because last night was horrible. Matter of fact, it was worse than the night before, and I thought that the night before was really bad. I was reading through the comments, you guys saying it's a bug that is going around, so I should definitely go to the doctor, and you guys are absolutely correct. So I'm going to go to the doctor to get some antibiotics. Bush and herbs, they work, don't get me wrong, they work and they work really well, but it's a bit tricky, especially if you don't know the portion to drink it in and what to mix together. Throat hurt me real bad. My throat feel like it can hardly open. Me feel like something in there just glue it together. I encourage you to keep safe. Wear your mask if you have to wear your mask. Talking about mask, I'm going to wear mine on the road because I would never want nobody to get my flu. Trust me. So I'm gonna do my part for protect somebody else from it. But wear your mask if you have to wear your mask. Walk with a sanitizer, your wipes, all of the things them for just to protect yourself from it. Don't get sick, guys. Don't get the flu here. Anyways, I'm going to get ready to go to the doctor. I'm gonna bring one with me, or I may just keep one posted. I'm gonna know what's what. And also, thank you guys for the kind comments that you guys left underneath the video. All the encouraging words, all the advice, what to do, what not to do, and the DMs. Really appreciate it. Thank you, sir. How much for them here now? Hey guys, so I just got home. Get the prescription. Stop and get some tangerine. Now me I look on there and I say, they look green. Alright. Probably right, because I feel like it good. Anyways, I just need to take 3 of them alone. And I take 3 coconut. 3 big coconut. Well, that one here is not so big. But I didn't want this because it looks sweet. Looks are deceiving. So it might not. See them here. I make him chop off the top. So I can just bore it with the metal straw and drink it from it. So I got those. Guys, what I'm telling you, ouch, orange expensive. 1 bag of orange of $2,000. I don't even know if the price is right. I chose something. 1 bag of orange of, well, you guys wouldn't know because how much coming in the bag when did I tell me about? That me never asked. So let me not say anything because me never asked how much. They just say, him tired them out. So I said, how much for a bag of orange? And he said, $2,000. So probably, because of the amount I did in them, I can't even tell you if it was 6 or 12 or 24. I don't know. Anyways, I never buy it because them did look green. Anyway, everything when I have look green. It's tangerine green. But it probably good same way. I got this. I have a throat infection. I could just start off with that. So this is a 2 teaspoonful to be taken 3 times daily. So I'm gonna eat now because I get antibiotic and she's going to eat before I take an antibiotic. So this this is for coughing. This is an antibiotic. 1 tablet to be taken once daily after meal until finish. So look. Oh, I can't see it, look. So if I one daily want to, so just 5 days me to take this one. Just 5 of them. I say one tablet to be taken once daily after a meal until finished. So just 5 days. I guess Mega just take this every, what time now? So may I take this every 5 o'clock. Because at 5 o'clock now. No. I just get till 6 o'clock because I start at up food yet. I did make pasta yesterday, tuna pasta. So I eat Mega because Jason never get to eat any yesterday. And I never did eat much, so we're gonna eat it for dinner today. So I may get this. This is a ketaflam. 1 capsule to be taken 3 times daily after meals when necessary. So I guess when I feel the pain, I take this. May I take 1 today? How much did I say? 1. Oh, and the liquid one. The liquid ketaflam. I wonder if I oil in there. It look like oil. So there's 3 of them. I don't love take pill now, but I have to do. I want to feel better. Plus I start take them today because last night was terrible, guys. So I go warm up the food and drink the coconut water and take the pill them, and then later down I eat one nice tangerine. So that's it. I'm happy I just got the doctor done. Because daytime another problem in now me good, but you see later on it's a different story. So yeah, that is the update, guys. 5:03. I add up the food and come back. Long time I don't want to come mukbang. Alright, here, so just look. I could have do a mukbang. Alright, guys, I am back and this is dinner. So it's tuna pasta with sweet corn, sweet pepper and red onion. Bare mix up, and my toast bread on the side. Yeah, is it toast bread, babe? Okay. Trouble in a light bread. Yeah, listen not for hear what I'm saying, guys. Coming in, we say, what else I'm in a light bread, and that's something I'm say all the time. Amen. So, I did a set soon and say, did want to do a mukbang. Alright, guys. So, I did a scroll through TikTok a while ago just to find the original video. I don't know where it stem from, but I see, you know, people respond to it like, you know, it's a big question topic over TikTok. Good while now though, it passed. I always late for them something here. But it's a question what them ask, how much rag you use babe? No, I don't know the original video, so I don't really want to talk too much about it. It's a TikToker what me love. She put in her 2 cents on it. And I say, you know what, let me ask you now, how much rag gonna use babe? So comment in the comment section and let me know how much rag you have, how much rag you use babe. Some people say them have 3 rags, some people say them have 2. I'm not sure if the person where it go viral from, so she have 2 or 3. Nevertheless, I don't see the big deal. Like if she want to have 3 rags, a fair business that. If she want to have 2 rags, a her business that. Now, I personally have 1 rag, but may have exfoliating gloves. So, am I doing it the wrong way?
What you does? My babe, pause that thing 1 second. Means I'm gonna careful as soon as I eat, you know.
Jason juice throw away and a glass break. I don't remember when I leave off, but I have 1 rag, but I have exfoliating gloves. I think I have about 3 of them. So am I doing it the wrong way or it normal? And as I said, nothing wrong if you have 2 rag, because I think I remember one time in my life when I have 2 rag. But that 2 rag that when I did have, I never feel nothing specific. I did just 2 rag me have. Me find myself with 2 bathing rag. Me use the beard. Like if the one that did the pan it. So my mother big on hanging out your stuff them when you done bed. Whether your rag or your underwear, hang it out. That's how we grew up. And then because the bathroom never there too far from the line, so as we bed we hang out with panty and we rag. Baby, remember when that was a thing? When you bed you hang out your panty and your rag?
Me never hang out my panty.
Babe. But yeah. So at my mommy house, that was a thing. I had to wash my underwear, not only me, like everybody in the yard. Whether you're a boy or a girl, you wash your underwear, and you hang out your rag when you're done bed. And as me say, the line never did too far from the bathroom. So it did feel pretty normal. As I grew up. When I go up on my own now, what I start to do is, when my bed is a thing, I can't bathe and I wash my underwear. My underwear are first thing when I wash. Like, little bit of TMI, but once I go bed, I take off my underwear and I wash my underwear. So, me as a girl, we take pride in my stuff them. I just to tell you, I take pride in my rag, I take pride in how I carry my things them. So my rag wash like properly. Even just to do it, like when we finish bed, we go over the, what you call that, babe?
Yes.
We put soap on the rag and wash it out after we done bed. So I just dry off and then throw it over. I wash out my rag. Yeah. And even on weekend when I wash my rag as well, like give it that proper wash there.
Enough time I can't find my rag, I'm seeing it and wash it.
Yeah, because I wash the rag them. Now I'm a person who have 2 rag. Now I'm a person who have 3 rag. If I saw them do them thing, I saw them do them thing. Because I'm skeptical with certain things as well. So everybody different. So guys, I finish my dinner and take the pill them. I'm going to take these now. Hopefully tonight we can have a good night's sleep. Come to think of it, how often you change a rag? This is really a rag conversation. How often you change a rag? I change my rag and toothbrush pretty often. Once my rag just, there's a specific feeling in your rag, you know when your rag won't change. Nothing me hate see, like your rag throw over the shower and it's stiff. What that? Wash out your rag, man. Wash out your rag nicely. Take care of your things them. Thanks. Alright guys. Oh, babe, pass my spoon, please. I think this is a tablespoon, but there's a teaspoon. Anyways, measurements. Just now go full it. Because this is a tablespoon, right? Teaspoon is a smaller one. Yuck! This tastes bad. Oh my god. Alright guys, so I'm gonna fill it up because there's a teaspoon and I think that spoon is a tablespoon. Don't hold me to that. I don't know measurements. Oh, I could have used this. Duh. Could I use this? Next time I don't never use. Woo! Tastes so bad. And it tastes good at salmon. Bitter. Alright, this now. So I feel pain in my belly when I cough. So if I take a cough medicine, I probably not go cough. Alright, so I'm going to hold out on this because it's take one capsule to be taken 3 times daily after meals when necessary. Keywords, when necessary. So I'm not going to trouble this because I only feel the pain when I either have fever or I feel like my joints are going to start hurt me, or when I cough and my belly button pain up. So if the coughing medicine doesn't work, then me take it if me cough and my belly pain. Alright, this now, this is an antibiotic, this is a serious one. So you know, say you have do's and don'ts when you take antibiotic. So this is a for throat infection. I don't know if I said that too earlier. I should think though. This is how it look. Anyways, beautiful people, thank you for keeping my company. Really appreciate it. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Guys, I'm feeling much better. I know my sound a little bit hoarse same way. Guys, I yesterday I'm getting medication. But for me feel so much better this morning, it's a blessing. I'll never take those stuff for granted anymore. Now I can smell properly. My throat now as hoarse, it not pain me as yesterday. I don't have no fever. I just feel, to God be the glory. I don't understand how me did feel yesterday and how me feel today. It's a blessing. I'm really grateful. Anyways, I did have to get up back in the night and take some of this because in the after, I think it was after 2, I did start cough back, but it never bad. So it's morning time. I go take some more of this. I think this is the right spoon now. This is teaspoon. Well, it's smaller than the spoon I made yesterday. Oh, me this I'm gonna use the thing because it have the measurement on it. Anyways, 2 of this. It's so bad. And then the next pill now, I can't take it yet. I have to take it the same time when I take it yesterday. So after dinner, I'll do that. But I'm telling you what I get up and do already because I feel so good. I feel rejuvenated. I just feel like myself. I'm grateful. Anyways, I got up this morning, changed the sheet off of the bed. I'm not get to wash them though because it's raining outside dark right now. Also, I Lysol the place, spray Lysol on the sofa, start drinking my green juice. I'm gonna eat this to my breakfast. Oh, I'm a season up chicken. Clean up chicken, season up chicken, because I want to cook one nice little dinner for Jason, because while I'm sick, could do nothing too extra. I want to give him a nice little dinner today with some nice juice. So that's that, guys. Your girl is feeling much better. I mean, I love it, but it's good. It's good for your body. Drink up the green juice. Last night was good. I get a good night's sleep, and also I love that for Jason because when me a cough, it make Jason can't sleep. I'm paranoid because he probably feel like me a cough on him, and it just loud. It annoying, really and truly. So it look green, but it's sweet. The house is back to normal. Sanitize down the place. Sanitize the faucet. Sanitize the door handle, sanitize the knob them for the things I'm in the kitchen, the fridge handle. Guys, me get up and the bare things. The only thing I wanted to do, I'm gonna get for do as me say, is wash. I didn't want to get them sheet out of the way. But, you know, I'm easy for myself a little bit. Tomorrow I'll wash them if rain no fall. Even though my ears say, a bare rain no go fall, you know. But yeah, oh, and the medicine here good. I don't know if them sell it over the counter, but it good. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the family. Wait, if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for tread the journey with me. road to 100,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Remember to put God first. Remember to pray. Remember to have a personal relationship with God. Read the Bible. Read the word. Can't emphasize on it enough. Read the word. It encourages you. It helps you to stay on track. Read the word. Read the word. Bye guys.